Welcome back everyone to another travel adventure. Today we are at the Smolen-Gulf covered bridge here, located in Ashtabula County, Ohio. And it's a picture-perfect day, so my mother and I decided to travel to this location. We've seen this from the road several times, but we've never stopped at this location, so we wanted to check it out for today. So sit back and enjoy today's travel adventure. The Smolen-Gulf covered bridge located in Ashtabula is the longest in the United States. Engineering and structural design by John Smolen and architectural design by Timothy Martin, the bridge was dedicated August 26, 2008 and replaces a metal bridge that was built in 1948, and prior to that a covered bridge stood in its place. The original covered bridge was listed as first covered bridge in Ohio. The bridge is 613 feet long and stands 93 feet above the Ashtabula River. The bridge has a life expectancy of 100 years. This place is absolutely beautiful. In my opinion, this part over here is the most beautiful location. These gorges remind me of New York State. This place is just beautiful, guys. Really peaceful here. Welcome everyone to Indian Trail State Road. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the footage from the gorge. Welcome back, guys. We are near another location. It was kind of nearby the Smolen-Gulf covered bridge in Ashtabula County, Ohio. And now this is going to be Cedarquist Falls. It's going to be a beautiful day of exploration here. All right, guys, we have made it. Cedarquist Falls. Wow, what an absolutely amazing waterfall in the middle of the woods here. Thank you guys for watching today's travel adventure to Ashtabula, Ohio. We visited Cedarquist Falls as well as the Smolen-Gulf covered bridge. Stay tuned for more adventures coming soon.